Krishna, Radhe Radhe to all. Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I was painting some paper dolls that I print them out from the printer. I know some parents don't allow for paper dolls as usual. If you want paper dolls like this, you can go to the Pinterest or any other Google place. You can text on how to make paper dolls, printable paper dolls. They will come out and you can print them out like this, like how I print them up. And you can cut it, color it with crayons, color pencils, or if you want you can paint it like mine. And it was so nice and so satisfying doing this. I hope this feeling also comes to you guys too, and it's very nice, and you can print them, and you can give these to your friends. Even my friends like paper dolls, and on their birthday I give these paper dolls to them, and they're always surprised because you won't find paper dolls like these in other places, markets and all other places. That's how I made paper doll. I hope you guys also make paper dolls like this, and I like to play with them also, and I spend time painting them and sometimes playing with them also. This is how I made the pant and the dress. I like this top the most and I made it. And me and my friend also do this because she brought some printouts too. And we both were doing some paper dolls, and thank you